welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, okay? I am going to discover 2 fragrances with you all. You seem to have enjoyed me discovering fragrances with you all and my first impression thoughts and my real thoughts. The hair is too long, okay? It's just too much, okay? You say mid-back, they say down to your butt. Okay, anyway, not about my hair. You all have loved me kind of walking through my initial thoughts. So cool, let's get right into how I feel about 2 fragrances that I have. So first up, I did the Sephora savings event, and then they give you like the option of getting different samples, okay? I always partake in my samples. I don't know if you all do, but I normally partake in my samples because it's free. We don't partake in the free? I do. So they sent, part of my free was this Love by Kilian. Love Don't Be Shy, and think this is the Fraiche version. Now, I have some Kilian fragrances, not a lot, but I do have some that I enjoy. Now, when I look at the notes, so if I'm looking down, I'm looking at the notes. This is like a neroli, petitgrain, orange blossom, jasmine, freesia, peony, rose, orris root, marshmallow, musk, vanilla, lavender as the base. So, girl, this is heavy floral. I mean, the picture doesn't speak for itself. This is heavy floral on the floral. I don't see, and we're going to get into it for my non-floral lovers out there. We'll get into it on another video because I did have a conversation with a friend, and I thought I'd do another video, but we'll get into it. But this is heavy on the floral. So I'm thinking, if you don't like floral, you're not going to like this. So I'm thinking this might be a really good spring, but this kind of neroli, there might be like a spice. I'm thinking this might be like even a spice floral. And then with the musk, definitely powder. So is it like a powdery musk? But we got marshmallow. So a powdery musk sweet type of, I don't know. Let's spray it. I don't know. I'm tired of thinking. Definitely heavy on the floor, I'm sure. That's all it has in it. Oh, definitely heavy on the floral. Ooh, let me spray it on my hand. I can't really. Oh, I smell it from here. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Oh, yes. Heavy on the floral. Heavy on, I mean, I smell jasmine. Like, jasmine is like, rah. And peony. Oh, and I smell the musk. Okay. So, like a powdery floral. Okay. And the rose. Okay, so this is like very floral heavy, powdery, peony rose. Okay, I think. I think the marshmallow gives it this sweetness, so it won't be like too like some people that don't like florals. They're like, I don't want to smell like a gram. You know, they try to categorize it a little bit, or they think it smells too mature. But no, this is pretty. This is like a pretty girl. Like, this is definitely a pretty floral. Like a sweet floral fragrance. Like, very pretty girl. Like, I can definitely see like pink on top of pink. You're in a bed of roses. Like, very spa-y. I think like very spa-y, fresh in that sense. Okay, that's pretty. Would I purchase? Is that what you said? Would I purchase this? I don't think I would purchase this, but not that it's not pretty. I don't think that I don't know. Because even in the spring and summer, I love floral, but I love a good fruity floral. I love a good vanilla and floral. Like, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know if I would. Now, if I were to go to a wedding or be invited to like a spring or summer wedding or be in a wedding, now this would be a great fragrance if you were in that type of like event for spring, summer, like a wedding. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about the I can't even talk. I don't know about the bride, but definitely if you were attending the wedding, this would be good. Oh yeah, that would be good for that. So maybe, but I wouldn't be like running out to get it. Okay. Well, moving on. Next up, we have a good Scentbird. I know you all haven't heard me talk about Scentbird. I still have the subscription in a little while. But montale, this is Bubble Forever. I've seen people with this. So this has some cinnamon, jasmine, rose, amber, neroli. Okay, again. This definitely is giving me maybe a deeper, still heavy on floral. I feel like anytime I smell neroli, it's a very, and I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, fragrant professionals around the world. But it really gives me I want to almost say like peppery type of floral, white floral, like a spicy, like very peppery spice when I have smelt it. And again, correct me down below. You're not supposed to smell that. Okay, let me know. We all helping each other out. But to me, almost like you know how they say like patchouli has like this dirtiness to it? Sometimes neroli gives me that, like not that it's dirty, but like this dark spice. Anyway, I'm not gonna stay on that. I don't have to prove anything. That's what my nose smells. Okay, great. But it has amber in it, which I love amber. Bulgarian rose, I love that. So let's get into it. But I don't know why it says Bubble Forever. I would think like it be more of a play on bubble gum. You know what I'm saying? Bubble Forever from montale. But let's get into it. Let me give you my first impression thought. And any of these fragrances, if you want me to wear it and kind of see if I get compliments, give you like more in-depth reviews, let me know down below. I'll come back and I'll do it for you. Only for my family members that subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And that means you. I hope so. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh, it has to have more notes in this. Oh, okay. I can see why this is called Bubble Forever. It does kind of give me a bubblegum texture. Let me look this up on hold on. Hold the phone. Let me look up the notes on Fragrantica. Maybe it'll give me some more notes. No, it doesn't have bubblegum. Wow. Okay. But it has pear. Oh. Okay. I do smell the grapefruit. So Fragrantica says it has grapefruit and lemon. Absolutely. Absolutely. Definitely a citrus forward fragrance. Okay. Interesting. I'll have to get to know this. This is definitely giving me, I missed the season for this. It's giving me spring, summer. Yeah, it's definitely giving me more like a bright type of, like a brunch, bright spring type of thing. Oh, but I can now smell the cinnamon. Okay. I smell the cinnamon. Oh, I like how that changes though. This is interesting. I might have to come back. I might have to, even if you don't own it, I might have to come back and do a full review on this. Because as it's like setting in. It's getting like a tackiness to it, like a gourmandness. But I definitely can smell that lemon and that grapefruit. They are fighting each other. They like, what's up, girl? What we doing? And the cinnamon. Okay. Wow. I mean, I feel like the star is more in the citrus, but it needs this tackiness, or maybe it's vanilla, or this gourmandness to it. It needs it, because it would just be a citrus floral. Okay. Okay. I don't know. The lemon to me, I don't know if I want to be like, or if it's like, Because I don't know if the lemon is giving me like more pine cleaner. I don't know. I'm going to have to come back to you on this one. The Bubble Forever, we'll have to review. I'll have to wear this. I'll have to come back another day and let this sit, let this play on my skin, and really give you a full thought. So we're going to pin this. But yeah, Bubble Forever. I would love to know your thoughts. Do you have this? Do you enjoy it? I mean, I think it's very pretty. Like, both of them definitely give me like pretty girl pink, floral, springy, brunch, hey, type of thing. Very pretty. I just don't know if it's leaning me in like pine cleaner-ish with the lemon. Okay, we'll come back. Let me know your thoughts. If you have either of these fragrances, I absolutely want to know what you think. But that is my first impression, and it seems like you all like my first real thoughts with no filter. Go. Gotcha. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, of course, and make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.